Hello, moneymakers. Today I've got something exciting for you. Check out this account. They've pulled in 1.7 million followers by posting nothing more than dancing noodle and leaf videos. Each clip gets around millions of views, and with that kind of traction, they're likely making thousands of dollars every month just by uploading these videos on multiple platforms. So, here's the big question. How can you jump on this trend, create your own viral videos with AI, and do it all for free? I've researched and found some incredible tools that make it super easy to generate endless eye-catching images and turn them into videos that people can't stop watching. And here's the best part. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to create viral content like a pro without spending a single dollar. So grab a coffee, stick around, and let's dive in, because this tutorial could be a game changer for your content creation journey. Let's go. To create these types of videos, we'll need images of dancing noodles and dancing leaves. And to get the perfect images, we need effective prompts. So, let's turn to AI for help. Let's open ChatGPT and ask, can you please write some prompts to generate images of dancing noodle figures with AI? The prompt should look something like this. Here, I'll provide an example prompt, so ChatGPT has a clear idea of the type of image prompt we're talking about. Don't worry, I'll include this prompt in my description. Alright, and just like that, ChatGPT provides prompts that are exactly what I was looking for. Perfect. Now let's move on to generating prompts for dancing leaves, which are also trending everywhere. And there we have it, our prompts are ready. This way you can create unlimited prompts simply by asking ChatGPT for more. Plus, I keep a collection of different amazing prompts saved in my Google Docs. If you'd like the link to my Google Docs collection, just drop a comment below and I'll reply with the link for you. Alright, now we can create unlimited images using ChatGPT's prompts. To generate these images, you can use any image generator tool. For now, I'll be using ChatGPT itself to create the images. But don't worry, I'll also show you how to generate images using a free tool, so stay tuned. If you have ChatGPT Plus, you can generate unlimited images with it. Let's ask ChatGPT to create all the images for the given prompt in a 9:16 ratio. And there we have it. Our images are ready. Look at them. Aren't they beautiful, right? Now let's generate images of dancing leaves. Look at the results, just incredible. But I want an image of a green leaf couple dancing in the rain. So here's what I'll do. I'll take a screenshot from this video and ask ChatGPT, please provide me with some images of a leaf figure couple dancing in the rain, similar to the image I provided. Then, I'll upload that screenshot for reference. And there we have it. ChatGPT provides a similar image. Now let's ask ChatGPT to give us 3 prompts for generating similar images. That's it, everyone. We've got all the images we need. This way you can create this type of amazing images with ChatGPT. Now let me show you how to generate these images using a free AI tool. Copy the prompt and head over to Leonardo AI. Sign in with your account, and you'll get 150 free tokens daily, which is more than enough for creating this type of video. From the dashboard, click on Image Generation. Choose Phoenix as the model. Set the ratio to 9:16. Paste the prompt and hit Generate. Leonardo will provide 4 images for you to choose from. You can choose one which is best. Now let's try with another prompt. The result was great too. You can go with this one as well. This way, you can experiment with different tools and download the best images. Alright, our images are ready. Now it's time to create a video with them. You can use any image-to-video generator tool like Luma AI, Pixverse, Clig AI, or others. I've tried all of them, but I prefer the results from Minimax AI compared to the others. With this tool, you can create up to 3 videos per day for free. So, let's upload the images, I will be using same prompt, which we used in image creation process. It takes a bit of time to generate, but I'll fast forward this part. And there we go. Our videos are ready. Let's have a look. Here's the another one. That's amazing, right? I also created a video from the leaf images, so let's check that one too. Wow, that's awesome. This one turned out to be the best. Now let's download all the videos and move on to the final step. The final step is editing. For this, I'll use CapCut, a free editing tool, though you can use any editor you prefer. First, import all the videos into CapCut, then drag them into the timeline. My suggestion is to use as many video clips as possible to increase the overall video length. This can help boost your view duration. Here I'll combine all the videos, the leaf video, the noodle video, since this is just for demonstration. You can also adjust the speed here if needed. Once all the videos are in the timeline, go to the transition section. Try out different transitions and pick the one that fits your video best. Apply transitions between each video clip to make the flow smoother. Then adjust all the videos in 9:16 frame. Next, add some filters to enhance the visuals. You can explore the filter library and find the ones that give your video the perfect look. First, I'll add a clear filter to the entire video for a fresh base. Then, I'll apply different filters to each clip. Choose whichever works best for your video's vibe. Next, head to the effects section to add some effects to the video. There are many options to explore. For the leaf video section, I'll add the glowworm effect because it seems like the perfect fit. Then, I'll use the firefly effect in another part. Finally, I'll apply the color diamond effect to the noodle video segment. Alright, once you've completed all these edits, your video is really starting to come together. Upload your background music and add it to your video. If you're uploading on Instagram, you can use any trending music to catch viewers' attention. But if you're posting on YouTube, make sure to use copyright-free music to avoid any issues. And that's it, everyone. This is how you can create viral dancing videos with AI. Now let's take a look at the final video we created.
It's getting brighter, I've been up all night. You've been my world, and don't have light. Getting you closer, it's harder than I ever thought in my whole life. Hey, where are you now? I know that you need someone around. You know you can blame it all on me, so don't mind if you get lost again. Cause I'm getting lost in it, and I can let go like this. And tell me